Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your background on Zoom meeting. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Zoom meeting, and if you want to change your background, you can go to this menu. Okay, and here you will see adjust the background and effect. Okay, and here guys, you'll be able to change your virtual background. If you want to use virtual backgrounds from Zoom, just choose it here, like this. Okay, this is the background. You can also blur your background, or you can upload your own background. If you want to upload it, just click on this plus icon, and you can add image or video as the background. I'm just going to pick a random image. Let's try this one. Open. Okay, and I've already changed my background with this background, or wait, let me choose this one. Okay, and after you change the background, you're ready to open your camera. Okay, sorry guys, I can't appear, but this is my background. Okay guys, and that's how we can change a background on Zoom meeting. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.